You know, nobody come take that set for me about the money business, yeah? Oh, I'm big on that blood clot. You know, who am I coming to make sense? If you go talk to me, the man say no take that money, no, you come on, I let them something, I let them something.
I want money. More hard cookie bag. I want it. Not more than hard. So I'm not going then.
Anything you want, we can get me money, a bank, we can draw money, we can do anything you want to do. I don't want nobody money with you. I don't want nobody come tell, come mix with no pasta. I don't like it. I'm a big man.
A few moments later.
Good afternoon, Nicki. So man, this is Derrick man, and he always a pass on for my life and bless me up. And he said about your birthday. So happy birthday again to you again. Happy birthday to you again, Nicki. So man, one day man can set up on TikTok. Yes, again, Miss Nicki Samaz. And I want you urgent if you can give me a assistant help now, because there's a girl on TikTok named Rosalie ever go around and set up my life with bad people. She sent 3 men downtown Kingston into the park with hurt me. That is a TikToker, Rosalie. She ever depend TikTok, one big elephant giant girl. Every day she depend TikTok. Cuss people, she night and day, right and now. She depend pumpy tail and a cuss the girl. How she not big on her, and she want fall back and come back, and she depend macaque. Everybody she shy for disrespect them, and Rosalie now come from nowhere. It's a girl with a tone sell peanut, and then people that a big top singer. Yeah, she want to disrespect them. Alright, she put her on a video. She want $25,000. I don't know. She start this the woman and start bring down the woman. Everybody she start bring down. Her sister and dance she start bring down. Everybody she start bring down. From she go up and win from William, so she feel like she hype and she depend top. Rosalie the pan top. First thing Rosalie can't entertain nobody. Rosalie can't entertain people. Depend in our life. Stop stand Rosie, shoot on the double, shoot on the double. Give me a boost, give me a lion, and a social paper. You say, why nobody give her anything? She curses people and for them own money. And sit up on the line and beg money. Plus, you say, she have told for kids that all at 3 o'clock a man, she said, them go buy Pepsi and cigarette. And they on the library. I beg. That girl is a wicked girl. You hear me I tell you? You hear me I tell you? Nicki, she's a wicked celebrity and I can send man for me to hurt me. But me I beg you, if you can help me to move out of Jamaica urgent for the people, urgent, Mr. Nicki Sama. I want to come up on my life and send some gift to Uncle Derrick right now. Me I beg you, me big up your birthday, bless up your birthday, may you live to see many more of you come. God bless you and God keep you. You may live to see many more birthdays for come. One Derrick man and sister, what can go so? A lot of passa on TikTok. Every day see war this and war that and war and mix up and all it. What a big top ranker and they man shoot for this and shoot for that. They want to go on plural and we know what they want to go on. I don't call the word. Well, then call it again, program hour, go up on number 1. If she not go on number 1, I'll be a first and war and fighting. This and she want this and number 1. I see that big top rank up. Everybody I rank up on TikTok. Every soul I rank up on TikTok. So you have to stand one side and look upon them. But me not look upon them arouse. Because nobody big like me a rascal. And the whole area what. Anytime we are going to the earth right on the earth we are going. Nobody on this TikTok because when one day this TikTok I go close one day. This TikTok I go close one day. That better everybody on TikTok. So you know go on no win, no go on no win. Generally you want with your win and you want to talk up things, but there might be a talk up things about it. Rosalie, remember say me have to pay me big rent. Every week me pay me rent. You don't live like me, Rosalie. You can't live like me, Rosalie, because I have my furniture. Them hot blood clot furniture. Them Rosalie, not a furniture like me, have blood clot. Remember me I tell you, oh.